Okay, we got a thing down here. It's a battery. Look at this boy. Oh boy, it's heavy. 48 volts. So basically, we gotta put it in this little box here to make it waterproof or whatnot. Make it easier. I also got these little things. So one's gonna be the on and off button. One's gonna be the charge thing, and then the other. Wait, no, this is charging, and this is power coming out of it. So we're gonna wire it up into the box, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay. Sure. Look at that. There. Look at that. That's definitely not straight. This video here is sponsored by Bosch. Bosch, the best tools. Yep, it's not sponsored by Bosch. We're just gonna keep that in there. Okay. This is no longer waterproof. Ah, yeah. It goes in. But I'll keep it up for now. Next item. Ta-da! They're beautiful. Oh no! No, we should have done. Yeah, that's a lot cleaner. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh, that's terrible. Wow, and it doesn't fit. Measuring. Hey, one fits. Look at that. That's making it worse. Too small, actually. Huh. Okay. No! This is messier than I thought it was gonna be. Amazing! Haha! Uh-oh. 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 It fits in. I just can't put it in yet. Ah! Well, the good thing is it's hard to get out. Meh. It's not that bad. It just looks terrible. Garbage. Where's the garbage? It's over there. Yeah, we don't need those. Clean. Oh boy. Open. Not open. Also not open. And open. That's how a switch works. Let's solder some stuff. First, we got the controller box here. Let's go with that. Okay. And solder. Okay. Cut. It's like the weirdest wire I've ever seen. Look at that wire. Look at it go. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know how it's gonna solder this, but it should. Whatever. Holy crap, this is gonna take longer than I thought. Oh my gosh. One thing done that wasn't the battery. Whoa! Whoa! That was 48 volts. That's why I'm putting this on, so they don't touch. Whew. Wow, wait, looky here. The battery is done. We got an on-off switch. We got a charging port there, which I 3D printed this cool plug thing. Kind of works just to make it waterproof. We got the power, and then we open up the hinge here. Look at this. That's a 50 amp breaker, and we got switch there, and then the charge cables, just like that. And it's wrapped with foam so it doesn't move in there. And yeah, it's about 15 pounds. Yeah, probably 15 pounds. Woohoo, let's put it on. Look at this. Turn the switch on. And there's 0 volts. Because I'm stupid. There we go. Okay, that we got to safety first. Haha, 58, not 48. Why is that? Because you need more power than what you need. That'll probably drop to 48 when it goes. But that's the battery. Oh yeah.
Electricity is very useful if you treat it with respect.
If you don't treat it with respect, you'll die.
And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Next time on battery, no, we just did that. Electric ATV build. Yeah. Fits! It fits! We got it!